Namaste student, myself JV Nanshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic of Bioscience Lab and today's session is to study different types of fungi by making their slide. In this we have two objectives to prepare slide of fungi and observation of slide. So our aim is to study different type of fungi by making their slide. In this we required material are culture which is 7 to 10-day-old fungal culture. Then media is subboard agar. Preparation of subboard agar is pH 5.6. In subboard agar supplemented with aromycin, in which peptone is 10 gram per liter and agarose is 40 gram per liter, and agar is dextrose is 40 gram per liter and agar is 15 gram per liter. All these aseptically add aromycin 10 gram per liter to sterile molten and cool medium. In this we required equipments are sterile petri dishes and filter paper 9 centimeter diameter, U-shaped glass rod, microscope slide with cover slip, then subboard plate with mixed culture of fungi, then sterilized subboard agar plates, then lactophenol blue stain, then glass capillary tube and scalpel, inoculating needle, then sterile distilled water and 95% ethanol and forceps. After this, we proceed to the procedure of the this fungi making slide. In this first step is slide culture preparation. In this, we aseptically with a pair of forceps place a sheet of sterile filter paper in a petri dish. Then place a sterile U-shaped glass rod on the filter paper. Then pour enough sterile water on filter paper to completely moisten it. Then we with forceps place a sterile slide on the U-shaped rod. Then gently flame a scalpel to sterilize and cut a 5 square block of the medium from the plate of subboard agar on embossed medium. Then pick up the block of agar by inserting the scalpel and carefully transfer the block aseptically to the center of the slide. After this, inoculate 4 slides of the agar square with spores or mycelia fragments of the fungus to be examined. Be sure to flame and cool the loop prior to picking up spores. Then aseptically place a sterile glass rod on the upper surface of the agar cube. Then place the cover on the petri dish and incubate at room temperature for 48 hours. After 48 hours, examine the slide under low power. If growth has occurred, there will be growth of hyphae and production of spore. If growth is inadequate and other spores are not evident, allow the mold to grow for another 48 hours before making the stain slide. After this, our second step is application of stain. In this, we apply the stain. In this first step is place a drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain on a clean microscope slide. After that, remove the cover glass from the slide culture and discard the block of agar. After that, add a drop of 95% ethanol on the hyphae of the cover glass. As soon as most of the alcohol has evaporated, place the cover glass mold side down on the drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain on the slide. After that, we examine the slide under the microscope. We use a compound microscope for the examination and observation process. So this is a process of different type of fungi making slide. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. I will resolve it. Thank you.